Welcome to the 360 Integrated Service Solutions micro learning session on category management and strategic sourcing. Today, we'll break down what these terms mean, why they matter, and how to use them effectively in acquisition and procurement strategies. Who is involved? Category management and strategic sourcing involve collaboration across contracting officer representatives, program managers, supply chain analysts, industry partners and vendors, senior procurement executives. Federal stakeholders include agencies like the General Service Administration, Department of Defense, the Office of Management and Budget, OMB. What is category management? Category management is a data driven business practices that segments purchasing into categories of common spend. It helps organizations buy smarter and more strategically across business units. Each category groups similar goods or services, such as IT, information technology, facilities, or professional services, to analyze total spend and streamline acquisition strategies. What is strategic sourcing? Strategic sourcing is a continuous process of evaluating and re-evaluating an organization's purchasing activities. It involves market research, supplier assessment, cost analysis, risk mitigation, contract performance reviews. The goal is to create long term value, not just the lowest price. Where does it happen? These strategies are applied across federal agencies and private sector enterprises, within enterprise procurement offices, at the program level through acquisition planning, in government wide category teams, management by the GSA, General Service Administration. When do you use it? Use category management and strategic sourcing during acquisition planning, before issuing solicitations or task orders, when renewing long term contracts, in response to agency wide mandates to reduce contract duplication, and when seeking best in class solutions. Why is it important? Reduces waste and redundancy, improves supplier performance, drives cost savings and value, increases compliance with policy mandates, leverages buying power across agencies or departments, promotes innovation through better supplier relationships. OMB mandates that the use of best in class solutions as part of the Federal Category Management Initiative. How is it implemented? Category management steps. First, you want to analyze spend data. Two, segment spend into categories. Three, assess current contracts and usage. Four, identify best in class or strategic solutions. Five, align acquisition strategies across stakeholders. Now, here's some of your strategic sourcing steps. First, you want to define your requirements clearly. Two, conduct market research. Three, evaluate suppliers' capabilities. Four, use competitive methods to award. Five, monitor and assess performance over time. Six, refine strategy continuously based on the data. Now, here are some real world examples, right? Professional services is a category. Now, your needs a project management support for an agency. The strategic sourcing action that you would take. Market research identifies top 10 vendors by past performance. Category manager reviews General Service Administration schedules for overlap. Decisions made to use a best in class solution via, for example, GSA OASIS, which is one acquisition solution for integrated services. Now, the result should be faster award, reduced administration burden, and increased oversight. Now, some of the key takeaways for category management and strategic sourcing. For category management, it helps us think beyond contracts. It's about managing demand, supply and demand. And strategic sourcing, it ensures we make informed long term procurement decisions. Together, they make the acquisition ecosystem smarter, more efficient, and mission aligned. Thank you for learning with 360 Integrated Service Solutions.